I have been noticing very interesting trend lately. More and more Portuguese entrepreneurs are setting up a US company even though they are living in Portugal. And this isn't random. This is very specific and it has a reason behind it. In this video, I'm going to explain why Portuguese founders or entrepreneurs are setting up their US companies and operating it from Portugal, and what advantages are they getting from this structure. Let's start with the big picture. Portugal is very well known for being a business hub across Europe, especially having an access in the EU and a growing startup ecosystem. But here is the reality. Most Portuguese founders are building global businesses, not just a local or a European based ones. And when your customers or clients are international, your company structure has to match that. The US company becomes very attractive because it gives global credibility, easier access to international clients, strong payment infrastructure. If you're currently running a business in Portugal and want to understand how you can set up a company in the US, you can book a call with me with the link which is mentioned below. One of the biggest reasons is payment structures and payment processors. A lot of Portuguese founders are facing this issue when they're running their e-commerce or an agency or a SaaS business. They are faced with a lot of limitations, like Stripe and PayPal can be frozen for a small period of time. That can be a big obstacle when you're running a business. Having a US company solves that problem. It allows a smoother access to Stripe, PayPal, Payoneer, US clients who prefer US entities. So you are not limited to one payment processor. In fact, many global entrepreneurs choose US company in order to get access to the best payment gateways around the world. Compared to many European structures or European jurisdiction, US LLC is a very flexible option. It's usually because US company does not usually have any complex corporate formalities, heavy reporting requirements, minimum capital in many states. This makes it very attractive for entrepreneurs who want to move very fast. US LLCs are known for flexibility and fast processing. Setting up a US company also does not have to require a lot of paperwork. That's why many founders opt for it. Now let's talk about what everyone is thinking. Taxes, one of the most important topics. US LLCs can offer tax advantages depending on how they structure their entity. For example, they can be treated as a pass-through entity in the US. In some cases, they may be treated differently in Portugal depending on the structure. There are situations where entrepreneurs can optimize taxes legally by structuring the company properly and making sure all the operations are outside Portugal. But this is very important. This is not a hack to get zero corporate tax or avoid tax completely. It requires proper planning, structuring, and then understanding what is best according to your business needs. The United States is still the biggest consumer market in the world. Having a US LLC builds trust with international clients, makes partnerships easier, positions your brand globally. For Portuguese entrepreneurs selling digital services, agencies, or SaaS products, this credibility can impact your revenue. Setting up and structuring the company is best for freelancers, agency owners, e-commerce brands, SaaS founders, or anyone who works completely online. Why? Because these businesses are not tied to any specific location, and a US LLC can help you operate your business with minimal friction. To summarize this video, Portuguese founders are setting up US LLC because they want global access, need better payment systems, prefer flexibility, and they're building international businesses. But the most important thing in this, it's not about where you live. It's about where your business operates. If your clients are global, your business structure should reflect that. If you're running an online business and want to set up or structure your company, book a call with me directly and I will help you out step by step. If you found this video useful, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with an entrepreneur that might benefit from this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.